So today I want to share with you two really cool MagSafe mounts from Telson that are actually perfect for traveling or a variety of scenarios filming with your MagSafe phone. So let me show you what they do, and quickly because it's Thursday. And if you're like, MagSafe? What's that? Well, if you have an iPhone, it's the magnetic backing on it so you can charge it or mount it. And the first one I want to share with you is this really cool tripod selfie stick with the MagSafe. So yes, this thing is very lightweight and compact, easy to travel with. And then you see this little circle right here, that's for your iPhone with the MagSafe. Or if you don't have MagSafe, it does come with adhesive mounts that you can just stick onto your phone, and that also works as well. But check this out. Done. So easy. But also, yeah, you can switch it between portrait and landscape, and it's that simple. You can even hear the little clicking. But then it extends out, giving you a selfie stick, so you can point this up and you could talk to it, giving you a good distance away from it. Or if you just wanted to like show your surroundings, that is actually a really cool shot. And then check this out. It's got tripod legs at the bottom, so you could stand this thing up somewhere if you need to get a quick shot using it as a tripod on your desk, or even like lifting it up and getting a different height shot. There's just so many ways to customize this to get the shot that you need. But also, there is a Bluetooth remote right here that's detachable and also sticks in there really good. Like some of the other ones pop out really easily. This one sticks in nice and easily. And then you connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. And then when it's fully extended, you can actually take pictures, start and stop your videos, or you could take this thing off and take this with you and easily capture that picture away using the tripod. Just click the button. But all in all, this is a great MagSafe travel selfie stick tripod with a remote. This has everything you need. So I love this thing. It's very, very handy. Oh, time's up, but you know what? Let's throw on 30 more seconds for the next thing. This is the Telson Necklace, which I've featured many times on this channel for GoPros or even for iPhones if you have the phone mount. But with the MagSafe mount, this is a great way to pop it around your neck and use this, and now you can get a POV shot really easily, hands-free shot if you're trying to get something with your phone, whether you're doing cooking, whether you're doing carpentry, so many things that you can do to get really creative shots using this. The 0.5x camera on here also does that really wide angle shot, so you can't go wrong with this. And just like the other ones, it's got a really good feel to it. It's got that bendy, contorty feel. It's really comfortable on your skin. Clipping it in is just that easy, and then you press this button to unclip it. And with the MagSafe mount, like the way that it works, like you can really bend this in different ways, getting the right shot you need, and it just sits so nice. And it also comes in two different colors, so you can get the gray one like you see right here, or the whiter one like this. Both are great options, both are phenomenal, and you should definitely check it out. Oh, time's officially up on this one. Actually, do check out the link in the description to see the price. Plus, you can use the coupon code DannyBlack and save some money. So do check that out. And thanks again for joining me on another 30-second Thursday. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.